Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to redeem your Footlocker gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to redeem your Footlocker gift card online, then the process is quite simple. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in www.footlocker.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your footlocker.com account first. Once you are, you can easily redeem your gift card during checkout while buying a product online from footlocker.com. Go ahead and purchase a product online. Let me just show you how. Click on any product you'd like to purchase and add it on your shopping cart. To add it on your shopping cart, simply find the product of your choice, select the size of the product or any other information that you'll need to figure out first. Once you are done, click on Add to Cart. Once you've added the product in your shopping cart, open up your cart by clicking on View Cart if you want, or you can also go to the checkout page by clicking on Checkout after you are done shopping. It'll take you to your contact information pages. You can also provide your shipping information on this page. After you are done filling all of the information, go to the payment area. It shows you a bunch of options from where you can select a payment method from. To redeem your gift card online with the purchase, scroll all the way down until you see this gift card option. Give it a click and enter your gift card number in the text box. Your gift card number is available at the back of your gift card. Head over to the next field and type in your PIN code as well. And finally click on the apply button in order to redeem your gift card with Footlocker. That is how you can easily redeem your Footlocker gift card online while making a purchase. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.